Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add a product in your Shopify store. Here you can see this one is a Shopify store. So now let me open the dashboard. On the left side here you can see these are different options. So click here this one, products. Then on the top right corner here you can see this one, add product. Here you can give a product name. For example, let me have this product sample data. I can copy this one, title, add here. Then for the description I can copy this one. You can also add images. For example, if you want to add image inside this one, then simply you can go here and let me select one of the image, this one. Click here, done. Now let me scroll down. Here you can see image is added, and here you can see this one is the product status, so that is active. You can draft your product, then scroll down. Here you can add the product featured image, this one. After that here you can select the category. Let me search for this one, shoes, this one. Then scroll down. Here you can add the price. After that scroll down. Here you can select the quantity. You can also skip it. After that here you can add the SKU. Then scroll down. So for the shipping you can add the product weight. Here you can add different variants like product size, product color. Then scroll down. Here you can select the meta fields. After that here you can see how it will look on the search page. So everything is okay. After that click here this button, save. Now view the product from here. That looks fine. On the right side here you can see collections and product tags. Here you can add different tags. Then on the top here you can select the product into different collections. You can also create a new collection.